Hey guys, today we're going to be playing with Hailuo's MiniMax and we're doing the start and end frames. And honestly, in my opinion, this is one of the best engines when you are starting with an image and giving it an ending image as well. So today I'm going to show you a couple videos that I made and we're going to build one together so I can give you kind of a quick tutorial on how to do this. I'm Brian, half of the Creative AI Show, where we're two creative guys talking AI, putting videos up on YouTube every day of using useful tools like this and, just showing you guys all the ways that we're using them for fun. So this one scene that you're watching here, I think is phenomenal. It starts out as this little kind of like galaxy droplet and it ends up as like a phoenix, and it looks really, really good. And so what this is I have an image that I started, which is that droplet, and then I have a prompt in between, and then I have an image that ended, which is this phoenix right now. And Hailuo handles everything in between. So we're going to build one together. I want to show you all the tools, my workflow on this, and let's dive on in. So first of all, I talked with Claude. I wanted to get 3 different scenes here. So we've got that cosmic transformation that you saw. I'll show you this underwater cathedral in a moment, but right now we're going to make this really cool desert mirage reality. So what I did was I got a prompt here for my start frame, I got a prompt for my end frame, and I got a prompt for the transformation. Claude's really good at structuring things like this. So when it comes to the actual images, I hopped on over to Rev. So this scene, it starts with just like a single person in like a salt flat with a very striking red color difference, and then all of a sudden it multiplies them into tons of people. So what's great too about Rev is it gives you 3 images to work with. I really like this one right here, so I'm going to start with that one. I'm going to download it. And out of these 3 here, this one I really like how red it is, and I like that contrast with the storm. So we're going to see these people multiply, the balloons multiply, and the storm kind of move on in. So we're going to download this one as well. So we've got both those downloaded. All right, I'm going to grab my prompt for in between. So the white salt flat liquefying, and so let's grab that. And then let's head on over to Hailuo and build one. So here's one of the ones I'm going to show you once this one gets built. We're going to click here for our start frame, and it's going to give us an opportunity to upload one of those images I just downloaded, which is that guy right there. Good. Again, here I'm going to grab my end image. I'm going to download or upload the one that I just downloaded here. So we start here, we end here. I've got my prompt already built in, so I paste this. Let's read it really quick just to make sure. So figure multiplies in dozen silhouettes. Red balloons multiply. Good, good. The storm clouds gather. Surreal, dreamlike transition. Smooth, cinematic morphing. Awesome. So guys, I'm dealing with a free version of Hailuo AI right now. So it's only 25 credits to do this, and it's O2 biggest, best model, and it's super good. It's one of the ones that has the best physics, best prompt adherence. So without further ado, let's click this. It's going to make this. Now it is a little bit slow, so I might end up pausing this video to, kind of show you what the results are going to be, but I'm excited to see how this is going to end up being. So, all right. So while this one's moving and going through, I've got that one I showed you. So let's talk about this underwater scene here. So let's click on this one. So I started with this door, and then it morphs and goes through the door. And I love how the second scene only shows up within the door. It doesn't have any artifacts outside of that door to show you, like I've seen them glitch before. Kling has definitely done that and had some issues, but this is really fun. It's a fun way for the creative AI director out there to, build a scene, know where you want it to start, know where you want it to end, give it a simple prompt, and let Hailuo MiniMax do the work here in between. So, I really think this transition is pretty flawless. Let me know your thoughts in the comments here, but I think it looks great. So this is an awesome tool to use. Very good when compared, say, to Kling or Veo 3. It's great. So, all right. So we're only at 22% here. So through the magic of editing, we're going to get us right here because I'm really excited to see how this scene ends up. So stand by. All right, guys, it's done. Let's see how it did. I'm excited. All right, so we start with the single person with the balloon. Ooh, it turns red. They all pop up out of the ground. The balloons, the storm clouds. Pretty good. I wish this figure didn't end up above everyone and then just dissolving. I kind of wish she just, multiplied across, but I love how that white sand turned red like that. That was so ominous and cool. You can see how you can have a lot of fun with this, and it's not too hard to prompt these scenes and be able to create these really, really stunning visuals. And honestly, Hailuo right now for me is free. That's insane. I know that we get a little bit of a watermark here in the bottom, but still, this is just absolutely phenomenal work. So please let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do. Also, every Monday, Rosh and I, we do the Creative AI Show. We talk about all the latest updates using tools like this, and And yeah, we just have a lot of fun talking about ways that we use it for our own business, our own creative efforts. And we really appreciate you watching. And again, if you've gotten this far, haven't liked, subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We're two creative guys talking AI.